Hey everyone, what's up guys? Hope everyone is healthy and fine. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो. Starting my base makeup with this NYB concealer and blending with this sponge because blending is must. Now guys, here I'm setting my base from the S.F.R Beauty Killer palette. Next I'm using this brown shade as a transition shade and I will apply it to the crease area, leaving the middle part of my eye. Now I'm blending it to the whole eye area. Now next I'm taking this copper shade and I will apply to the same area to give a dewy effect. To give a dark smoky effect, here I am using this black shade and I will apply it to the outer corner and inner V corner. Next I am using this glitter shade and I will apply it through my finger to the middle part of my eye. Now for enhancing my look, here I am using the highlighter one and I am taking a shade from highlighter and I am applying it to the middle part of my eye. For eyeliner, here I am using NYB Alice Island eyeliner and I will apply a thick liner to my eyes. Now guys, completing this look by applying false eyelashes. Guys, product details are mentioned in the description box. If you want to purchase any product, you can purchase from there. Link is given in the description box.